So here is a video showing how to use Moodle to take attendance in your classes. So you log into your course, right, on Moodle. You scroll all the way down and press Create Learning Activity. And right here you have attendance. Click on that. Okay, so this course meets on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Okay, so what I'm going to do is set up my attendance. And so I'm not going to display it on the course page so the students won't be able to see it. But I'm just going to press Save and Return to Course. So now I need to go and add the days of the semester. So I'm going to click here on Attendance. And the first thing I want to do is press Status Set. And so I only want to leave the options of being an absent or present. So I'm going to actually delete the late option. And I'm going to delete the excused option by pressing the little trash can. And so the only options the students will see is present or absent. And I'm going to change this just for me. I'm going to change it to 1 point. So I'm going to go ahead and update that. And so next I want to add a session. Right, so the course, this course meets on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so I'm going to press, the first date would be August 24th for this course. Okay, and this course actually starts for me is a 9:30 to 10:50 class, so I'm going to open up the attendance a few minutes before class starts, so when they're walking in, they can, take attendance. And so, 9:30, I'll do 9:25. And then a few minutes after class starts, so 9:35. So between 9:25 and 9:35, the students can actually check in for attendance. If they're after 9:35, they would be marked as absent. You can, of course, change these times to whatever you want. And so I want to do multiple sessions. And so this is a Tuesday-Thursday class. We're going to repeat this session as above, so the same times. And we're going to repeat every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays until the last day of the semester, which is going to be December 2nd. So I'm going to change that to December 2nd. And so it's going to repeat these sessions until the end of the semester. Allow students to record their own attendance. So basically when they go to check in, they're going to be able to do it themselves. And I'm using the QR code and random password. So this option here, if this is selected, students will automatically be assigned the highest available grade. So they will be automatically marked as present. And then this option prevents students from using the same device to take attendance for other students. So this prevents one student from taking attendance from another student who may not be in class. So I'm going to press yes. And then here I think it's going to want the time frame the students can check in. So I did 10 minutes. And then you add that. And so here it has the first day of class, the second day of class, all the way down to the last day of classes. So I go in and delete any days where we don't actually have class by using the academic calendar. So October 7th and 8th. That October 7th is actually fall break. So I'm going to delete that session since we don't have class on that day. And then Thanksgiving is November 25th to 26th. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that one as well. And then next, to actually allow the students to check in, there's two ways to do it. Here, if you want to use the QR code, which this forces the students to physically be in the room. They have to scan this code. One way to do it is simply to pull this up, and the students, when the students walk in, they can scan this code. Okay. Another option is to actually print this out and maybe put it on the desk. And the students can actually scan this code. And what's going to happen when they scan this code, this QR code, it's going to pull up on their phone, and they're going to have to log into Moodle and check that they are here. Okay, so if the student is not in the room and they don't have this QR code provided by you, they cannot check in. And so that is it for attendance using Moodle.